Coronavirus. Introduction. Can you only be infected by coronaviruses once in your lifetime? Select yes or no. Correct. Most people will get infected with human coronaviruses in their lifetime. You can have multiple infections in your lifetime. Stan has a fever of 102 degrees Fahrenheit or 38.8 degrees Celsius and is coughing up phlegm. His muscles have ached all day. Should Stan contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Fever, coughing up phlegm, and muscle aches may be a sign of a problem. Stan should contact his healthcare provider. Human coronaviruses can be spread through close personal contact. Select true or false. Correct. Human coronaviruses are spread from an infected person to others through close personal contact. They can also be spread through the air and by touching contaminated surfaces. Do all people infected with coronaviruses require treatment in a hospital? Select yes or no. Correct. Some serious coronavirus infections require treatment in a hospital. Mild coronavirus infections may be treated at home with rest and fluids. But if you think you may have COVID-19, see a healthcare provider right away. How can you help prevent the spread of coronavirus? Choose one of the following options. 1. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. 2. Stay home and rest when you are sick. 3. Wash your hands often. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.